Hey buddy, today in this video we're making beef udon noodle stir fry. Let's begin. We're going to prepare the sauce first. We have here a 1/4 cup of water. We'll need 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. You can use cooking sherry wine if you don't have this. 1, 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1, 2, 3. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, we're going to put the pre-made sauce to the side. We're using around 1 pound of beef. The cut of beef we're using is petite bottom sirloin. And let's cut it up. We're going to cut the beef into strips. Cut them into strips. There we go. Spread them out. Next, we're going to sprinkle some garlic salt. Turn them over. Do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Next, we're just going to sprinkle some ground white pepper. And that's it. We're going to make some room in the center. We're going to crack open 1 egg. And then just mix everything all together. Next, we're going to add some cornstarch. It's 1 tablespoon. Mix it in first. You want a thick consistency to it. Still a little bit too runny, so we're going to add the 2nd tablespoon of cornstarch. There we go, it has a nice thick consistency. We're just going to add just a little bit of sesame oil. Like that. And mix it in. Okay, we're set. And let's start cooking. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. And let's put in the beef. Spread the beef out. Turn the beef over. Okay, we're going to stir them around. Okay, it's looking good. And now we're going to pick it up. We're going to add just a little bit more olive oil. We're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped up white onions. Try to brown up the white onions. Okay, the white onions are nicely browned up. We're going to add 1.5 cup of sliced up red and yellow peppers. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We'll be adding just about close to 4 cups of broccoli. 1/2 cup of shredded carrots. Stir them around. Next, we're going to add the pre-made sauce. We're gonna cover it up for 2 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Stir everything around. We'll be adding 2 packets of udon noodles. It's around 7.76 ounces. That's 1 and 2. Break them up. Try to break up the noodles. Okay, it's looking good. We're gonna add the beef back in. And stir everything all together. Okay, we're set. Let's put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Beef udon noodle stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.